Hi everybody, welcome all of you to our channel IAPT Learners Hub. In this video I am going to discuss about file handling in programming language. What is file handling? Why we need files? How to manipulate files? How to naming a file? How to opening a file? How to write data to a file? How to read data from the file? How to close the file? Let us discuss one by one with a proper example. What is file handling in C++? File handling is used to store data permanently in a computer. Using file handling, we can store our data in the secondary memory, that is hard disk. File handling stands for the manipulation of files, storing related data using a programming language. This enables us to store the data in the permanent storage even after the program execution terminates. I will tell you one example. Area of rectangle. Equation is area is equal to L into B. Regarding this, user should enter the value for length and breadth in a runtime initialization. Okay. After executing the program, we will get the area. First, we have to enter the value for length and breadth. Then, combining after the execution of the program, we will get the result area. How memory will be allocated for this? Here, this is the location for length. User entered the value 10 stored here. This is the location for breadth. User entered the value 8 stored here. Then computer produced the result 80 is the output. This data stored in the RAM. Okay, RAM memory RAM. But RAM is volatile. When the power goes or program execution terminates, the data, whatever data it is there in the RAM, that will be erased. If you want to repeat the same program to run, again we have to enter the values for length and breadth, then to produce the result. Now we terminate the program, the data will erased. How to solve this program? We can use file handling. 2 or 3 numbers, okay, we can do like this. But if we have a long data, it is difficult to erase the data always. How to solve this problem? We can use the file handling using C++. I need the data should be stored somewhere for the future. How we can store data in the hard disk? How we store data with the help of files? I want data should be stored somewhere in the memory. This is a file. File is a sequence of bytes in the memory. It's like a memory where we can store data permanently. The large amount of data we can store in hard disk permanently by using files. Whenever we need data like input, we can fetch that files from the memory. Opening, reading, writing, appending. File handling files. Okay. File handling files are type of text and binary. Stores in the form of zeros and ones. Files are mainly linked by using 3 classes. Fstream, input to file stream, output to file stream. Okay, these are the main 3 classes for file handling. Output to file stream. This stream class signifies the output of the stream and is applied to create files for writing information to files, to create and to write information to files. Input file stream we can use for reading information from files. File stream, this stream can be used to both read and write from 2 files. We can read from the files, we can write to files. Okay. All the above 3 classes are derived from Fstream and from the corresponding IOStream classes. They are designed especially to manage disk files. Okay. The functions of all these classes are designed and managed in the Fstream header file. Streams. What is streams? Streams. We give input to execute the program. Like the previous program, we have given the value for length and breadth to execute the program. And the execution program gives back the output, that is area of rectangle. Okay. The sequence of bytes given as input to the execute the program, and the sequence of bytes that comes as output from the execute the program. These are called stream. The sequence of byte given as input to executing the program and the sequence of byte that comes as output from the executing the program. That is called streams. In other words, streams are nothing but flow of data in a sequence. Okay, value which you have taken for input, or what is the output we got from computer, that is the streams in C++. The input and output operation between the executing the program and the devices like keyboard and monitor are known as console input-output operation. The input and output operation between the executing the program and devices like keyboard and monitor are known as console input-output operation. Then input and output operation between executing the program and files are known as disk input-output operation. Hope you got the idea about streams in C++. Streams means the sequence of bytes given as an input to executing the program. That is input stream. Then the sequence of bytes comes as an output from the executing the program. That is also output stream. Flow of data in a sequence, that is streams. Then what is console input-output operation and disk input-output operation? The input and output operation between executing the program and the devices like keyboard and monitor are known as console input-output operation. The input and output operation between the executing the program and files are known as disk input-output operation. Is it clear now? What is the streams and what is the difference between console input-output operation and disk input-output operation? Okay, sequence is nothing but it is a flow of data in a sequence. That is, we can use for input also. We'll get the result from the computer, that is output. Next, classes for file stream operation. Okay, these include input file stream, output file stream classes. Okay, the classes are small programs. Okay, these classes are derived from F stream and from the corresponding IO stream classes. Okay, these classes are designed to manage disk files, are declared in F stream. Okay, therefore we must include this file in any program that use files. When we use the program with the files, we have to include the header file F stream. These all classes are included in the F stream file, header file. These files are used to manage disk files. These files are used to manage disk files. So we have to include the F stream header file in the C++ program when we are using the files. See example, how to include the header files. Hash include IO stream, hash include F stream. Okay, these are the three classes included in the F stream library, that is output file stream, input file stream, F stream. F stream is a combination of output file stream and input file stream. We can create the file, read the file and write to files. Output file stream create and writes to file. Input file stream read from files. F stream is both we can do. Okay, then we have to add the header file like this. Okay, because all the classes which you required in for files, they are declared in the F stream header file. C++ provides us with the following operations in the file handling. To create a file, we have to use the command open function. Reading a data, read function. Writing new data, write function. Closing a file, close function. Okay, these are the functions to use to open the file, to read the file, to write the file, to close the file. Open the file to read mode, we have to use the command in. Okay, opens the file to write mode, we have to use out. Opens the file in binary mode, we have to use binary. Open the file and appends all the outputs to the end, we have to use app. Okay, but adding. Hope you are cleared file handling. How to open the file, how to create the file, how to write to file, how to append to a file. Okay, how to use the F stream class, how to create the object, everything you have learned. Hope you are cleared all the topics. Okay, next video I will come with more examples of file handlings.